Good morning, students. Now, in yesterday class, we have seen why the life is possible on the earth and the shape of the earth, right? Now, in the continuation, today we are going to see continents and oceans, right? Now, if you have seen the picture of earth on the pages I have sent you, in that pages you must have observed in the picture of earth there are two kind of things, blue and green. So the blue part is water and the green part is land. Like we are living on the land, right, where we are making buildings, our home, school, etc. Right? So where we are living on land. So the huge land masses means on these land masses the countries are divided, like we are living in the country of India, right? So these countries are present on land. So these huge land masses on the earth surface is called continents, right? Huge land masses on the surface of earth are called continents. Clear? So there are 7 continents on our earth. What are they? They are Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica, right? How many are there? 7. Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Yes, so they are the 7 continents. And to learn, it is very easy to learn. See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. All are having letter A. So Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, and then America. So add North and South. And at last, the last one is Europe. Isn't it? Yes. Now, as the huge land masses are called continents, in the same way, the huge water bodies are called oceans, right? Huge water bodies are on the earth are called oceans, and there are 5 oceans, like you have 5 fingers. So in the same way there are 5 oceans on the earth. And what are they? Atlantic, Pacific, Indian, Arctic and Southern. You can learn them on your fingertips. Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean, right? These are the 5 oceans. Now, after this, you can learn that among continents, Asia is the largest continent. Which one is the largest? Asia. And which one is the smallest? Australia. Learned? Yeah. In continents, Asia is the largest continent, Australia is the smallest continent. And in oceans, Pacific Ocean is the largest and Arctic is the smallest. Which ocean is the largest? Pacific Ocean. And which one is the smallest? Arctic Ocean. Clear? Now, after oceans, there are many more big water bodies, right? And those big water bodies are called seas. Yes, seas are also big bodies of water, but they are smaller than the oceans. Okay, seas are also there, but sea are smaller than ocean. Yes. Now, where the land and the sea is meet to each other, that place is called sea coast, right? The place where land and sea meet is called sea coast. Okay? If we are living on the land and there seas are also there, so where the place where the land and sea will meet, what that place will call? That is called sea coast. Okay, like if you have went on any river, have you? So when you reach on the river, where is the last part of the land? There the river is started, that is called bank, right? So if the near place of the river is called bank, in the same way the land and sea where they are meeting is called sea coast. Now have you ever went on your terrace? Yes, you must. And if you will stand on your terrace and look straight, far away, then you will feel that sky and land is meeting. But actually they are not meeting. But it seems like that. Right? If you have not seen, then today you visit to the terrace and then you observe it. Okay, but along with your parent, not alone. Okay. So, in the same way, if we will stand on a sea coast and if we will look much far away, then what we will see? It will seems like the sky and the sea is meeting on somewhere. Actually, again, they are not meeting, but it look like they are meeting, right? So, the place where the sea and the land, where the place sea and the sky, not land, sorry, where the sea and the sky seem to meet is called horizon. What is it called? Horizon. So these two things are clear. Where land and sea will meet, they actually meet, is called sea coast. And where sky and sea will meet, that is called horizon. Okay, so these all are the topic for the day. What we have seen? We have seen huge land masses are called continents and there are 7 continents. Then what we have seen? That we have seen there are huge water bodies are called oceans. There are 5 oceans. Then we have seen that the big water bodies smaller than the ocean are called seas. Right? Then we have seen sea coast, then we have seen horizon, right? So these all for the day. Now I am sharing you question answers. That is your homework. So complete your question answer and send it on my personal number. Okay?